Hey, welcome back. We are going to start a little project. Well, it's not a little project, but this first phase is. We're going to walk down here quick. All this tree here, we're going to be trimming it back, clearing out some of this grass and old stuff that's built up. You see here, if you can see in here, a little runoff stream here. We gotta get the trash and stuff out of it, and that's coming from our pond. It goes all the way up to our pond. It's the overflow, plus there's a spring coming from the ground, and we're gonna clear this out in here, make it where we have a clear path going down to it. We're just doing it because we just think it looks neat. It doesn't really serve any purpose or anything for us, but it runs all the way down. It's going all the way down. We'll eventually clear all that brush back. There's Chewy hunting for a rabbit. He chased a rabbit into the weeds there a minute ago. He thinks he's going to get it. But it's going all the way down, man, down to the road. We're not going to do it all, but we are going to be doing this whole part here going down. And if you come and look right here, this is another thing we're going to do eventually. You can kind of see a path where the grass is, I don't know if you can tell, but the grass is kind of laid down a little bit right up in here. And that up in there, you can see where those, going up there a little bit, those trees right up in there, you can kind of see where it's got clearing. Well, that's a path that was going up that way, and it's grown up a lot, and we're going to clear all that off for a walking path. We got some more around the property we're going to be doing too, but there's a bunch of trees down through here that once we get all the weeds cleared out, we're going to clear them out. But what we're going to be concentrating on just for this video is this first area that I showed you over here. And this is kind of like Chewy's play area too. He likes looking for the chipmunks over in this area. So we're going to be doing that, and I don't know how much we're going to get done on it today because we're supposed to be getting rain. So we'll see what happens. Check back in a minute. What's that?
That's already opened up a lot.
Yeah. A lot of trash down in here. LA bottles. Yeah, it's gonna look good. All right, everyone. We made a little progress here. We got some of those branches cleared out. There's a pile I've started, the old pile, and we got some of this stuff cleared out. Got a long ways to go, but I just wanted to show you here real quick what we're doing. Why? See this little runoff stream here, and our dog Chewy likes to come down here too. He's already been down here while I'm working on it, running on down that way. You can see it. There's several places where it goes underground. If you look right here, this is neat. It's coming from underground right here. If you can see down there, and it goes all the way up by one of our outbuildings. I'll see if I can show you that here in a little bit, where it's coming back up above ground. So it's traveling all the way around the corner of our trailer, behind where that tree used to be. Over there used to be that tree right over there, and then goes on up the way a little bit, and then it comes back above ground. Something else, man. And so we just like this area again, and I still got a bunch of trash out of here. Whoever lived here before put a bunch of trash in here. I don't know how people can do that, and I don't know where you all live. L81. It's like Mountain Dew on crack. It's made here in Kentucky, in Winchester, Kentucky. A lot of people drink it. I don't care for it. I don't know if you all heard of that before. So, oh yeah, here's one other thing. Found this buddy. You can tell, snake skin hanging there in this tree. And it looks like it's got part of a snake in it. So I don't know, probably a coon or something got a hold of it. So, but anyway, pretty neat. I think I'll just leave that hanging there for conversation purposes and a warning sign. Alright, talk to you in a little bit. Hey everybody, welcome back. This is day 2. As I mentioned yesterday, rain was coming in, and it did come in. It wasn't a real long rainstorm. We ended up doing some other chores that need to be done, running into town and stuff, and it got wet enough to where I didn't want to mess with it anymore yesterday. But I got to noticing after I got stuff cut down and trimmed back that there's quite a bit of poison ivy in there. My wife's real allergic to poison ivy, and I have times where it bothers me and times it doesn't. So we went ahead and got some poison ivy killer, but I'm not going to be able to spray it on there until no rain for a few days. And as it is of now, from yesterday until next Thursday, there's a chance of rain every day, so I'm not going to waste the money. So I just cleaned it up a little bit in there, got everything loaded up in the old Dodge there that I use around here, and going to take it on down to the bottom down there and dump it off in the brush pile I've started, and then this fall we'll burn it all off. And we're going to call this video done. Now later on, as I'm going to keep working on it some, and you know, as time goes by, when I'm shooting another video, I'll show you what's end product was on that area. But we're going to be continuing. It's not in the shop right now, but like I said yesterday, we're going to be continuing on down that way eventually, and then make this place look even better than what we think it looks already. I don't know if it's anybody else considered it paradise, but we sure did. And so we're going to call this video done. If you do, as we always mention, if you do like these videos, please hit like and subscribe to the channel if you hadn't, and tell everybody about it and share it. And we see you back here next time at Kentucky Valley Life.